Hello everyone, greeting from Johnson. Today we would like to show you how this machine works. It's an embossing machine specialized for PVC cards with 72 characters. On this rotating plane, it's black color letters and white red color letters. When you point the black color one, just these noodles need to point to the black color, and for red color, it will rotate to the red color. This one needs to select this red color. So now I'd like to show you how it works. To put this PVC cards inside here, this is my main card. When you embossing the larger characters, adjust the position like this. These needles just point to the position of the cast. That one, red color. Like this. For the blend letters, half press like this. These small letters. Adjust the position. Finish. Like this. Brand letters. Point to the position you need to embossing. You can adjust it like this. So now I will put a card to show you how it works. Press. Put it into the position. For the needles, point to the numbers. For the big number, red color. These needles point to the red color. Press down. Change number. If it's band color, then just half press like this. See? Pen numbers and like that. For the small one, select black color number. They are smaller than the red one. Change then letter. See, this is the small numbers. Now I would like to show you how this stamping machine works. It is specially designed for the PVC cards. Just now we have embossing this card, and now I would like to show you how to got the color fold onto it. For this machine, here this button is to adjust the length of the paper fold rolls from 0 to 60 millimeters. This is to routine the use the four paper rolls here. For colorful stampings on PVC cards, normally we use the temperature between 100 degrees to 150 degrees. This button is to adjust the temperature. When it reaches the temperature, the lights will turn to green color. When it's heating, it's red color. When I adjust it to 120, now the temperature reached. Let's see how it works. Pull out this part. Put your cards. Temperature reached. Press down for 3 seconds. See, this is the one we just made. This without colors. This is with colors. Thank you for watching.